Module Overview. Dot. Curriculum evaluation is the systematic process of determining the effectiveness, relevance, and impact of a curriculum on learning outcomes, teaching quality, and societal needs. This module addresses the theories, models, tools, procedures, and ethical considerations that underpin curriculum evaluation and its relationship with quality assurance systems in education. It positions curriculum evaluation as both a technical and a political process, highlighting how decisions made through evaluation influence funding, policy, and your progression. You will explore how formative and summative evaluations, internal and external review mechanisms, and stakeholder feedback loops contribute to continuous curriculum improvement. Emphasis is placed on data-driven decision-making, accountability structures, and strategies for aligning curriculum evaluation with educational goals at local, national, and global levels. Module Overview. Dot. Curriculum evaluation is the systematic process of determining the effectiveness, relevance, and impact of a curriculum on learning outcomes, teaching quality, and societal needs. This module addresses the theories, models, tools, procedures, and ethical considerations that underpin curriculum evaluation and its relationship with quality assurance systems in education. It positions curriculum evaluation as both a technical and a political process, highlighting how decisions made through evaluation influence funding, policy, and your progression. You will explore how formative and summative evaluations, internal and external review mechanisms, and stakeholder feedback loops contribute to continuous curriculum improvement. Emphasis is placed on data-driven decision-making, accountability structures, and strategies for aligning curriculum evaluation with educational goals at local, national, and global levels. 10.2. Purposes of curriculum evaluation. Diagnostic. Identifies weaknesses or gaps in curriculum content or delivery. Formative. Ongoing monitoring to improve curriculum during implementation. Summative. Final assessment of effectiveness after curriculum completion, accountability-based. Justifies investment in curriculum interventions, policy-aligned, ensures curriculum meets governmental or institutional goals, accreditation and benchmarking, for institutional or program recognition. 10.3. Types of curriculum evaluation. Internal versus external evaluation. Internal, conducted by teachers, departments, or school administrators. External, by external assessors, inspectors, or national boards. Qualitative versus quantitative evaluation. Qualitative. Observations, interviews, focus groups. Quantitative. Test scores, metrics, data dashboards. Process versus product evaluation. Process looks at how the curriculum is implemented. Product focuses on learning outcomes and end results. 10.4. Models and approaches to curriculum evaluation. Tyler's objectives. Model evaluation as the measurement of the achievement of educational objectives. Highly goal-oriented but criticized for being too linear. Stakes countenance model focuses on both process, how curriculum is taught, and outcome, what learners achieve. Emphasizes antecedents, transactions, and outcomes. Stufflebeam's CIPP model. CIPP, context, input, process, product views evaluation as a tool for decision-making and improvement. Scriven's goal-free model focuses on actual outcomes rather than intended goals. Avoids evaluator bias tied to stated objectives. Kirkpatrick's 4 levels, especially for training curricula. Reaction, learning, behavior, results-responsive evaluation centers on stakeholder concerns and feedback. Highly adaptable, but potentially lacks structure. 10.5. Steps in conducting curriculum. Evaluation. Define the purpose and scope of the evaluation. Select an evaluation model that aligns with the goals. Design instruments, e.g., surveys, tests, observation checklists. Collect data systematically. Analyze and interpret data using qualitative and quantitative tools. Report findings with recommendations for improvement. Engage stakeholders in feedback and validation. Revise curriculum based on findings. 10.6 Curriculum Indicators and Evaluation Criteria. Relevance to your needs and society. Clarity and attainability of learning. Objectives. Alignment between goals, content, methods, and assessments. Inclusivity, equity, and cultural. Responsiveness. Use of learner-centered pedagogies. Your performance and satisfaction. Teacher preparedness and instructional quality. Resource adequacy and technological integration. 10.7 Stakeholder involvement in evaluation. Evaluation should be participatory, involving teachers, students, parents, industry, and policymakers. Collaborative. Promoting ownership of outcomes. Transparent. Providing open access to findings and rationale. 10.8 Challenges in curriculum evaluation. Lack of evaluator independence. Politicization of results. Resistance from curriculum implementers. Poor quality data collection. Over-reliance on standardized testing. Budget and time constraints. Cultural or contextual bias in tools and interpretations. 10.9 Linking evaluation to quality assurance. Quality assurance, QA, a broader system that ensures educational quality through monitoring, evaluation, and accreditation. Curriculum evaluation is a core component of QA. QA bodies use evaluation reports to inform national curriculum reviews, guide funding allocation, shape teacher training priorities, benchmark against global education standards. 10.10 Ethical considerations in curriculum evaluation, confidentiality of respondents, avoiding evaluator bias or manipulation, honest reporting of both strengths and weaknesses, inclusion of diverse voices, especially marginalized groups, cultural sensitivity in data interpretation, avoiding undue harm or stress during evaluation processes. Learning outcomes for Module 10. By the end of this module, you should be able to define curriculum evaluation and distinguish its types and purposes. Apply appropriate evaluation models to specific curriculum contexts. Design comprehensive curriculum evaluation strategies. Identify key indicators of curriculum quality and effectiveness. Analyze evaluation data to inform curriculum revision. Understand the relationship between curriculum evaluation and quality assurance. Address challenges and ethical issues in the evaluation process.